Ever felt like your team's communication lives in one place, while your actual work lives somewhere completely different? Like trying to coordinate a potluck where the guest list is on a sticky note in your pocket, but the grocery list is on a shared Google Doc that no one remembers to check? That feeling of juggling tasks and conversations across multiple platforms is something many of us know all too well. In today's fast-paced work environment, staying organized and connected is paramount. That's why tools like Slack and Trello have become staples for teams of all sizes. But here's the million-dollar question. Are they interchangeable? Can you just pick one and call it a day? Or do they serve fundamentally different purposes? Think of it this way. Imagine you're planning a cross-country road trip with a group of friends. You need to figure out who's bringing what, map out your route, decide on pit stops, and generally keep everyone in the loop. Now, would you manage all of that through a constant stream of text messages? Or would you prefer a more visual, organized system where you can see the itinerary, assign tasks, and track progress? That, in essence, highlights the core difference between Slack and Trello. While both aim to improve team collaboration, they approach it from vastly different angles. Slack, at its heart, is a communication hub. It's designed for real-time conversations, quick updates, and building a sense of community within your team. Think of it as your virtual office water cooler, a place where ideas can be tossed around, questions can be answered instantly, and informal chats can foster team bonding. Trello, on the other hand, is a project management and task management tool. It's built around the visual metaphor of a Kanban board, where tasks are represented as cards that move through different stages of a workflow. Imagine a whiteboard with sticky notes, each note representing a task, and those notes being moved across columns labeled To Do, In Progress, and Done. That's the essence of Trello. So, let's dive deeper into the specific strengths of each platform. Slack, the communication powerhouse. Imagine a constant flow of emails. Overwhelming, isn't it? Slack aims to solve that by centralizing team communication into organized channels. Instead of sifting through endless email threads, you can have dedicated channels for specific projects, teams, or even social topics. Real-time messaging. Slack excels at instant communication. Need a quick answer? Just shoot a message to the relevant channel or directly to a teammate. This immediacy fosters quick decision-making and keeps everyone informed in the moment. Channel-based organization. This is where Slack truly shines. You can create channels for everything: the marketing team, the bug-fixing sprint, the upcoming product launch, or even just a #random channel for non-work-related banter. This keeps conversations focused and prevents important information from getting lost in a sea of general messages. Direct messaging. Sometimes you need a private conversation. Slack's direct messaging feature allows you to have one-on-one or small group chats for more sensitive or focused discussions. File sharing. Need to quickly share a document, image, or video? Slack makes it easy to upload and share files directly within your conversations. Integrations. This is a major strength of Slack. It seamlessly integrates with a vast array of other tools, including Google Drive, Zoom, Asana, and yes, even Trello. This allows you to bring information and notifications from other platforms directly into your Slack workspace. For example, you can get notified in a specific Slack channel whenever a new Trello card is created or a task is completed. Search functionality. With potentially hundreds of messages flying around, a robust search function is crucial. Slack Search allows you to quickly find past conversations, files, and links based on keywords or users. Bots and automation. Slack supports the use of bots and workflows that can automate repetitive tasks, provide reminders, and even gather information. This can significantly improve efficiency and reduce manual effort. Trello, the task management maestro. Now, let's shift our focus to Trello and its strengths in organizing and managing work. Visual Kanban boards. The core of Trello is its intuitive Kanban board system. Each project or workflow is represented by a board, which contains lists, columns, that represent different stages of the process, e.g., to do, doing, done. Within these lists are cards, which represent individual tasks. This visual representation provides an immediate overview of the project status and the progress of each task. Card-based task management. Each card in Trello can contain a wealth of information. You can add descriptions, assign team members, set due dates, attach files, create checklists, add labels for categorization, and have discussions specific to that task. This keeps all relevant information for a task in one easily accessible place. Drag-and-drop interface. Moving tasks between different stages of the workflow is as simple as dragging and dropping the corresponding cards. This makes it incredibly easy to update progress and visualize bottlenecks. Collaboration features. Multiple team members can be assigned to a card, allowing for clear ownership and accountability. You can also tag team members in comments to draw their attention to specific points. Customization. Trello allows for a good degree of customization. You can create custom lists to match your specific workflow, use labels to categorize tasks in various ways, and add power-ups, integrations with other tools, to extend its functionality. Progress tracking. By visually moving cards through the different stages, Trello provides a clear overview of project progress. You can easily see what tasks are in progress, what's blocked, and what's been completed. Templates. Trello offers a library of pre-built templates for various types of projects and workflows, which can be a great starting point for new users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.